Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting prerequisites, Python 3, 10 or newer, pip, and a working web browser. Next, download the Kobold AI client and the Janitor AI model checkpoint into a dedicated folder and create one virtual environment to keep dependencies isolated. Do this now because package versions matter. If you skip isolation, dependency conflicts will appear later. Once done, verify Python and pip and confirm you have at least 4 GB free. This prevents interrupted downloads and ensures stable launches. You now install and configure. Activate that virtualenv, then pip install the requirements listed by Kobold AI. Once packages finish, move the Janitor AI checkpoint into the model's folder and rename or reference it in the Kobold config. Then edit config. YAML to set the tokenizer and the device. Choose GPU for speed if available, otherwise CPU. Also set the server port and model name. This matters because mismatched tokenizer or device settings cause tokenization errors or slow inference, so double-check these fields. You're ready to launch. Run the Kobold AI start command with the model flag pointing to Janitor AI. Then open your browser to localhost at the configured port and send a simple test prompt to confirm moderation and response behavior. Make sure to observe latency and token handling while you test. If things go wrong, inspect the server logs, verify tokenizer and checkpoint compatibility, and confirm GPU drivers or CUDA versions if using acceleration. This single troubleshooting step resolves most launch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.